What is up, YouTube land? This is Chris Catalunya, and today we are going to talk about MoviePass. Now, this has been the talk of the town for about a couple months now, especially concerning their low prices. In recent years, movie theaters have been upping their prices on movie tickets, and if they don't get you at the door, they get you in concessions. It's ridiculous to go to a theater and have to pay $25 for a value meal that includes popcorn, soda, and that's about it. All that for $25? No. And MoviePass, they're disrupting the market right now. One of the executives from Netflix jumped ship and actually joined MoviePass and pretty much wants to deploy that same model of Netflix. They want to be the Netflix of movie theaters. Now, I've had MoviePass for a couple months now. I just held off on making a review just because I wanted to make sure that this product was a good product. So all you do really is go to MoviePass.com, put in all your information, submit your credit card data, and that's about it. So MoviePass's monthly rates are about $9.95. I think they do have a special going on in which it's $6.95 a month, which is definitely not a bad deal. Movie tickets nowadays cost about $10 where I live. And they actually struck up a deal with Costco. So now Costco and MoviePass are offering packages that start at $89.99 a year, which is about $5 a month. That's not a bad deal at all. So there are a couple rules to using MoviePass. Rule number 1. You can use MoviePass once a day. Now, in saying that you can use it only once a day, who's to say that you go back tomorrow and watch another movie? You can essentially watch 31 movies, provided that there are 31 days in that particular month. You can watch that many movies in a month. Rule number 2, in order to purchase tickets, you have to be within 100 feet of the movie theater. Rule number 3, you can only purchase tickets for that particular day. So if you know Star Wars is coming out next Thursday, that transaction is not gonna happen. You can only watch movies for that particular day. So in stating those 3 rules, I think $9.95 is pretty justified. You can't beat that. Again, you can essentially watch 31 movies, provided that there's 31 days in the month, and that'll be at a price of $10. That's a big savings. Even if you've used MoviePass just once in that entire month, it's practically paid for itself, considering movies are about $10 nowadays. So before you pull the trigger and buy this MoviePass, be sure to go on the website and check your zip code to see which theaters are actually participating in this program. So let's jump into the app right now. Now, being that I live in San Antonio, Texas, I'm gonna pop in my zip code. Let's see, let's pop it in right here. And it's gonna give you a list of participating theaters around me. So let's back out a little bit. So it looks like I have 2 around my area. Actually, I have a lot more that are participating in this program, so that's pretty good. And to show you that this program actually works, I went to a theater in Austin, Texas, an AMC participating theater. Keep in mind when you use the MoviePass app, you have to be within 100 feet of the theater. So go ahead and choose your theater. Mine's AMC Barton Creek in Austin, Texas. I chose Daddy's Home 2, and looks like I got the tickets. Easy. So I went to my AMC theater. And I usually go straight to the kiosk so I don't have to deal with people. If you've ever purchased tickets from one of these machines, it's the same process. Hit purchase tickets. You'll click that movie that you clicked within the app. Choose the same showtime, 7:20, and more propaganda from AMC. And choose the ticket type. I'm an adult, so I chose adult, and hit next. And so this theater participates in reserved seating. Go ahead and choose your seat. Looks like no one's in this showing. And pretty much check the total and hit checkout. And it's gonna ask for your payment. Now, MoviePass, when you do it within the app, it will load those the amount on your card, and you just swipe it like a regular credit card, and then it'll print your tickets. I do have some gripes about MoviePass. When you sign up and make your payment, it takes about 2 weeks for your card to come in the mail. It's not a big deal, I'm just a really impatient person. My other issue with MoviePass is their support. It's lacking a lot. When you go on the website, you'll see that it's supported by Zendesk support, and usually when I see that, I'm thinking that I'm going to get the best service, but not the case. MoviePass is not responsive with Zendesk. The way to get to MoviePass is either to use your Twitter account and to tweet to them, or to use Facebook. They seem very responsive on Facebook, and when I say Facebook, I mean Facebook Messenger. They respond to messages within 30 minutes, so Yeah, but I just think it's disappointing that when you have a website and you have Zendesk, that should be your main source of support. That should be where you are supporting people. But it is what it is. So what do you think about MoviePass? Have you bought into the idea yet? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And we'll check you another time. Cheers.